Alinsunod sa direktiba ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na pagandahin ang sistema ng edukasyon sa bansa, kinumusta ng mga senador ang kalagayan ng Senior High School Program ng Education Department. Yan ang ulat ni Daniel Manalastas.
Tinalakay sa Senate Committee on Basic Education ang pinalakas na Senior High School Program ng Department of Education. Siniyasat ng ilang senador kung kamusta na ang Senior High School Program. Aminado ang DepEd, may ilan talagang naging problema. Katulad na lang ng problema sa congested curriculum, overwork ng estudyante at guro at low labor participation. Pero may maganda naman silang balita tungkol dyan.
PBED reported that we have improved the hiring outlook with 4 out of 5 companies open to hiring senior high school graduates. An improvement from the 3 out of 5 in 2018. The Philippine Statistician reported an increased school participation where senior high school program boosted enrollment among 16 to 17-year-olds by 13%, which with the highest gains in low-income groups.
Base sa datos si Senador Sherwin Gatchalian na isang survey, maraming dissatisfied sa senior high school program ng pamahalaan.
High school program, about 33% are satisfied, about 40% are dissatisfied. Something that we should take note because what we want is our parents and our constituents to be happy with the K-12 program. This is the nation's education program.
Ayon sa DepEd, sisimula na muna ang pilot study ng Strengthen Senior High School Program kung saan lalahukan ito ng 727 na pilot schools sa buong bansa sa school year 2025-2026 o ngayong taon, habang ang full rollout naman ng programa ay sa susunod na taon.
By way of defining our pilot study, we are collaborating with the IDS so that we'll have a more concrete and more evidence-based evaluation on how we see the pilot implementation will be happening at least for this coming school year.
Sabi ng DepEd, ang kanilang ginagawang hakbang para sa senior high school curriculum ay bilang angkla sa direktiba ng Pangulo na mapaganda ang sistema ng edukasyon. Daniel Manalastas para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.